Hello guys, this is your man again in another Just My review. This time getting the new Orbi Wi-Fi 6. Finally guys, we get it right here. I'm gonna do the opening box, and in another video I'm gonna show you guys how this beautiful thing works. As you guys remember, last week I was doing a video with the Nighthawk, and it was it was beautiful with the Nighthawk extended and the Nighthawk AX, and it's a beautiful thing working fine for gamers and streaming videos. Now we got this baby right here, the Orbi, and let me show you how it looks like in the inside. First we got the let's start it, the instructions basically, and what is inside the box. Also, we got right here the download app instructions, how to doing it, and let me see right here. Okay, this is like a, oh, this is completely different. Well, this is like a kind of a handle or something like that, but okay, let's see. Well, yeah, it's a handle, and it's kind of weird. Hold on. Let me see. Let me open it this way. Well, yeah, more easier. And wow, look at these guys. Look at this. The new Orbi. This is the satellite. Look at this guy right here. Expecting high speeds on this Wi-Fi connectors, and this is the router. I'm gonna put it this way because I don't want you guys see the I'm sorry, the password. And right here, let me just close these guys right here. Let's close this box, and let me put these two beautiful guys right here. You got the two Orbis, and in the box, you guys see in the first, you got the two electric power cords, and let me see what else is in here. You got an extra Ethernet cable, and that's it. That's the only two things we got in here. If you guys remember the last video, I got my Orbi satellite right there on top, and probably I'm gonna use the same spot, but with this thing we can achieve speeds like crazy speed. Especially the most important thing is how many items you can have connected all together. And guys, this is just the unboxing for the day. I'm gonna put everything together. I'm gonna show you guys how this thing really works. I'm gonna show you guys a link. I'm gonna put the link down below, and you guys wanna check the first Orbi, the RB-K50 that it was a few years ago, and how that works, and it was amazing streaming videos. And I got the other video too with the Nighthawk router with the extender, and it's kind of a unboxing, and I checked it out how it works. It works good, but now I want to try these two guys right here. That's the new thing. Guys, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video in how this Orbi works. See you guys later.